grade 6. Now I am talking about chess. What is chess? A chess is a two-player strategy board game that involves moving chess pieces on a square board with the ultimate goal of capturing the opponent's king. Invention of chess. There are no one single man who founded the chess, but the game luckily originated in India around 6th century. Rules of chess. The game starts with the setup of the board, whether each player has 16 pieces. Rule number 2. The player with the white pieces can make first move. Movement style of the chess pieces. King. The king moves one square in any direction. It has also a square special move called casting. Queen. The queen combines the power of bishop and rook and can move any number of squares along a line 5. Knight. The knight moves to any number of closed squares that are not on the same line 5. Diagonally, such as the move for M and L shape. Rook. The rook can move any rank or file but may not lap over other pieces. Bishop. The bishop can move any number of squares diagonally but may not lap over other pieces. Pawn. The pawn can move forward one square but capture diagonally one square. It is a valuable piece of changing the game. Thank you.